Recognising that this new infrastructure is in a new regulatory phase, that it's not the old P&T, it's not an old regulated system. If we regulate it in a way that it's very open access, and if you have collaboration between these various different platform providers, we actually can develop an economic model here that gives us jobs, and it also gives the companies themselves an economic case for the investment they need to make in those networks. We're holding a consultative process now and a consultative event where we want to pull everyone together to say, is that your common understanding as to where we should go? So in our next generation paper for broadband, what we're saying is it's not the government's job to deliver the network in its entirety. In fact, the primary responsibility is going to be in the market. The market is better placed because it's a very flexible new network that we are building. It has a whole range of technologies. It has cable, it has wireless, it has fixed line, it has mobile. And if they compete with each other, you actually get better prices and a better service. Yes, primary responsibility for delivering that evolving, fast-changing network is going to be in the market. And we'll regulate it, but it's the market that has to spend its money and deliver it. And the market's spending about 700 million a year at the moment in this country delivering that product. So it is working. So what we're looking to do is maybe use some of that social networking characteristics of the web in the consultation process. We're going on to a website hosted by amado.com, where they have a new innovative structure to try and assist, particularly not-for-profit organisations, to engage in such consultation, to engage in more open democratic discussion. That is a place where people can log on, can register, can listen to what some other people are saying, can present their views. We're also hoping to use it as a kind of a framework or a background preparation for an event we're holding in September in Dublin Castle, where we want to get together people from different communities with an interest in this. I mean, there's obviously the communities of telcos, the companies investing in the networks that will build next generation broadband. But also we want to bring in the people who might use it, the digital media services company, computing companies, broadcasting companies. We want to bring in people who have experience as users, you know, the 15-year-old who's there gaming, or the 75-year-old who's using it as a way of connecting to their grandchildren, or the business company that wants to connect to its outlets around the country. So people involved in delivering education and health and regional development through the use of broadband. So we're pulling together various different communities. What exactly is the best public services for us to deliver on broadband, and how do we do it? What exactly is the key Irish competitive advantage? Is this a key driver for our economic future? I believe it is. Is this something where we can actually, through a collaborative approach in Ireland, as well as competition, have a competitive advantage? And it's fundamentally to agree a common vision.